You went in front of a judge, you promised him that you were going to go back. It's now 2 years later, and you haven't.
I didn't go in front of a judge.
Ma'am, you were wanted out, Missouri, receiving stolen property. Tell me, Ms. Oko, what did you guys want to do?
Well, she would like a bond out on this case. I believe this was in 2022 this was picked up.
So you said that the case originates from 2022?
Yes, Judge. However, she kept in touch with the courts to see what she could do, and they kept telling her that she had to pay some money.
I'd be opposed, although the probable cause for the stop was a traffic citation or infraction, is that the receiving stolen property is coupled with an unlawful possession of a firearm, and it's a failure to appear. It's not a 2B.
Your case is now 2 years old. You've been in flight for 2 years. You've made no attempts to do anything. I don't really have any way to force you to go back, and I just can't take your word for it.
Well, Your Honor, she does work, and of course, getting a bond the incentive of receiving that bond back is one of the things that I've gotten some of my clients to do.
But I don't have faith you're going to go. Day?
For what it's worth, if it wasn't a failure to appear, I actually would have agreed to a bond, but the fact that she went in front of a judge, and the incentive originally from Missouri was the bond.
You went in front of a judge, you promised him that you were going to go back. It's now 2 years later, and you haven't.
I didn't go in front of a judge. I had called them and they said I didn't have to. They said all I had to do was pay it. That's why I just paid it.
Post bond, right?
Yeah, I paid everything that they told me I need to pay. I've never been in trouble ever a day in my life. I've been homeschooled my entire life, and this has just come up. So I just called them and I did everything that I had to do. I'll do anything I have to do to get out of this. I just want my life back. I have a business.
Did you say you can't be here tomorrow? Is that what you said?
She is eligible for a $2,500 bond there, but they clearly stated that she's not eligible from their jurisdiction for a bond out of state.
Sounds good. I'll make some calls, Judge.
What you can do? Is there a second case though, too, or no?
No, so the way they did it was the charge was for both out of the same incident.
Is this the only fugitive case we have today?
This is the only remaining one. Everyone else is in wait, which we're all. Also, Williams needs to sign the waiver, but once he signs the waiver, there's no issue.
Oh, yeah, so he needs to be admonished, no?
Right. So sorry.
Okay.